go right in the seam in the crotch. So if you want, you can mark it. Then we're going to wrap it around and stick it in the same hole. Okay, you're going to want to pull tight. And then stick it in it, wrap it around and stick it in the same hole again. Okay, so I've marked the belly button with a 1/4. And you're going to take the thread and go back in. And then out the top of the belly button. And now I like to cut the thread to take the needle off so that I can use a smaller needle. It's easier to work with. Just going to be going in and out, making a gathering stitch. Remember to scoop the needle down to pick up the stuffing. And you can kind of pinch it too, to pinch some of that stuffing. Usually I insert a pom-pom in the middle before attaching the head, but this time I just forgot. And you can even scoop up some of the stuffing with the needle to kind of move it up in there. Okay, so now you want to get the 5-inch needle and put it in, and then it's going to come out the crotch. Okay, and now you're gonna tie these threads together. Okay, so I've got all 4 threads in there. We're gonna go back in the hole, we're close to it, and then out somewhere else. And pulled all the way through, and then as I'm pulling it, I'm going to carefully snip it, and it disappears. So that's how it should look, about like that. So this is somewhat what your finished doll should look like. I've had a lot of fun sewing it and sculpting it. I did add the popcorn curls, and I do have a video how to do that. I'm used to doing Cabbage Patch style dolls, so this was a little bit different. The body's quite a bit chubbier than a Cabbage Patch, and the hands are a little different because they look like they're closed instead of open. But I like it. It was fun, and I hope you liked it too. Thanks for watching.